Hey y'all, so I just want to introduce myself real quick just because I didn't get to do so in my last video. But my name is Maria, but I like to go as Wednesday, as y'all can see by my username. And I just want to say hey, because I'm new to the YouTube community and I look forward to being a part of this. I look forward to this journey. But yeah, that's it for now, and just stay tuned for my first look. So this outfit also goes with the red trench coat. So as you can see, I demonstrated it with the beige one, but whenever you wear leopard print, cheetah print, or whatever, I always feel like a touch of red will always make the outfit pop. So this is the same outfit, just with the red trench coat. And I feel like this looks so good too. So this is, y'all want to go out at night, you know, to trying to look good and stuff. This is a bodysuit, by the way. It's just like super low cut. If you don't want to show, you can always wear a black undershirt in the bottom, but it's a perfect fit to go out in the rain and you're still gonna look good and warm. And it's the same shoes, same patent leather boots. Y'all, so this is it for today's YouTube video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Thank you very much. I really enjoyed doing this little lookbook for y'all, and remember that thrifting is good for the economy. I literally got all of my trench coats at a thrift store. This one was $8 and the other two were $1 each. So when I tell you how to go thrifting to benefit your wallet, listen to me.